Hey friends, on today's quick video, we're taking a look at this MIS Xi case for my Apple Watch. I'm going to open it up, we're going to give it a closer look, and we're going to install it on this Apple Watch Series 8. Now these are designed for Series 9, 8, 7 for the 45mm, but they have different sizes that you can choose from online. We'll put links in the description box below where you can pick this up on Amazon. So inside the box, we're going to find two cases. It's kind of nice. It comes with two different ones that you can use. Nothing super fancy here. You can see this is just a light grade plastic, and it has kind of a nice screen here, little tab where we can peel off the outer protective layer. And then we've got some wet wipes and some dry wipes to wipe down our watch before we put this on. So again, all this is really doing is it's offering some screen protection and then some surface protection on the side of the watch. And that's what I mostly wanted, because as I've been walking around doing chores and projects and things, I've noticed my watch gets bumped on the sides here, and I just don't want to scratch it up. And what you basically do is peel off this little interior sticker, and then we are ready to basically slap this on. So this is going to go around the edge. You can see you kind of line up the holes. So I'm going to go ahead and snap this into place. We'll see how it looks. Okay, that's snapped into place. Very, very easy, very simple just to snap on. And again, get that protection. And lastly, what we can do is we can just peel off that top layer, and then we are going to be exposed to our regular watch face. And that looks pretty darn good. Now, I did notice that the touch sensitivity is a little bit degraded. So let's say I wanted to click on my heart down here. Again, just single touch things seem to work okay. I can touch up here, my battery life. So I'm having to push kind of extra hard up at the top area in order to get that nice sensitivity. As you can see there, I had to hit a couple of times. Let me go ahead and check out the scrolling. So scrolling down seems to work great. It's kind of intermittent, the scrolling up feature. Again, it seems like you just have to press a little bit harder than you are used to in order to get this thing to work properly. So that may be annoying for some folks. Again, there's added security, but again, the touch sensitivity is a little bit downgraded, I would say. It's not super noticeable, but again, that may be enough to really bother some folks.